you listen, you see hundred of birds, they are making sound. Yeah, you listen. A little bamboo jungle and hundred of birds, they are usually called sparrow in English language, but in Bengali language churoi বা চড়াই, however, and hundred of sparrow and they are making sound, you see, in the bamboo jungle. Okay, you see, and under the bamboo jungle you see this is catkin flowers, and there are other types of trees also exist here. You see, this is here mahiguni, it is called in Bengali language mahiguni, and this is called in English language, we know, catkin flowers, but in Bengali language this is called kashful. And you see, this is the East beauty, and this is the West beauty right now before being evening time. And this is a land with sand. Yeah, you see. Okay, I have to end up right now, and every day I try to make a short video with something like natural beauty, or with animal or something, another issue, and try to respond up, please. However, I'm going to end up right now, and best wishes for you, and invite those who are very interested to learning English, and invite those who are very interested to knowing something new. However, see you soon. Best wishes for you.